AI is eating the world. That's the vibe online. $1 trillion spending, super cycle of intelligence. Everyone shipping AI into everything. And yet, somewhere in a boardroom, someone just asked, so, where's the revenue? That's when the hype phase ends and the accounting phase begins. According to Gartner, global AI spending is expected to hit 2.52 trillion this year, up 44% from last year, and by 2029 projected to reach 4.7 trillion. But here's the interesting part. In the short term, the bill is being carried mostly by cloud hyperscalers and enterprise software vendors. They are buying massive infrastructure, shipping AI into products, taking short term losses. And enterprise customers, they are tired. Project failure rates are reportedly around 90%. We have entered what Gardner calls the trough of disillusionment. It means, in translation, the demo was cool. The production is, well, kinda complicated. Here's why this sounds weird. On one side, AI spending is exploding. On the other side, enterprise AI projects are failing. So, which one is true? Actually, it's both. This is like watching a startup burn millions on servers, while customers are still figuring out what problems they are solving. Or like everyone buying gym memberships in January and by the March asking, wait, where are the abs? The confusion comes from mixing two timelines. Number one, infrastructure hype, and number two, revenue reality. Right now, hyperscalers are building the highway, but most companies are still figuring out where they're driving. Under the hood, this is a defensive move. If you're a major SaaS company today and you don't want Gen AI in your product, investors assume your growth is negative, even if your product works perfectly. So, vendors are embedding AI everywhere because the market expects it. Think about it. If Salesforce ships AI into CRM updates, customers might not even pay extra at first. But long term, that AI becomes the baseline expectation. And once it's baseline, pricing power shifts. So vendors are willing to lose money now. This isn't charity, it's positioning. Let me explain this like a dev situation. Imagine you work at a SaaS company. Your CEO says, add AI. You ask, to do what? The CEO says, doesn't matter, just add it. So you integrate an LLM, ship a smart assistant. Customers try it. Some love it, some ignore it, and some break it instantly. 6 months later, finance walks in. So, how does this increase the revenue? That's where we are. The infrastructure team is printing, the product team is experimenting, and the finance team is blinking. And the users, they just want something that works without doubling their bill. This is a normalization phase, not a collapse, and not a AI winter, just pruning. The thousand flowers blooming phase is ending. Now comes which AI features actually reduce friction, which one creates measurable value, which ones quietly disappear in version 3.2. The long term shift, AI won't be a product category. It will be an invisible layer inside existing products. And once it's invisible, that's when monetization gets real. So, no, this isn't AI is dead. And no, this isn't AI replaces everything tomorrow. It's something more boring and more important. Infrastructure first, revenue later. Reality always catches up. The real question is, When AI becomes default in every tool you use, will you even notice when you start paying for it? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.